A common question that our tech service department gets is how to correctly set the throttle body stop screw or curb idle in order to achieve the proper idle air control value on a drive-by cable throttle body. I'll walk you through the process using Sniper, Terminator X, and HEFI engine management systems. And I'll also cover what happens when the throttle blades are open too far, causing the IAC to enter the hold position, as well as why it's so important to perform the TPS Auto Set procedure. A common misconception is that fuel-injected engines require an IAC in order to idle. In reality, your engine should idle just fine without the use of an IAC, provided that the base throttle angle or curb idle speed setting is correct. To begin, let's verify your curb idle setting. This procedure should be performed with the vehicle at full operating temperature and the vehicle in park or neutral with the brake applied. Navigate to the parameter screen that displays engine RPM using either your handheld touchscreen, dash, or laptop. Verify the target hot idle speed that was set initially. The way in which this is displayed depends on whether you're using HEFI, Terminator X, or Sniper EFI. If you're satisfied with the current RPM setting, go ahead and exit. If you need to adjust the speed, do so as needed, then save and exit. Next, we'll need to set the throttle plates on your throttle body using the curb idle screw in order to achieve the optimal IAC position. With the engine running and at full operating temperature, navigate to a screen that shows the IAC position on your touchscreen, dash, or laptop. The IAC position is displayed in a percentage, with 0 being closed and 100 being fully opened. Again, the way the IAC position is displayed depends on what type of Holley EFI you're using. Watch your IAC value on the screen. With the engine in park or neutral and the brake applied, the goal is to have this number somewhere between 2 and 10%, with 3 to 5% being ideal. You'll also need to verify that your TPS or Throttle Position Sensor is reading 0. If your IAC position is at 0, this means the throttle plates are open too far and that the IAC passage is completely closed off and not able to help control the idle RPM. You'll need to close the throttle plates slightly by turning the curb idle screw counterclockwise until the IAC position increases and you can achieve a value between 2 and 10%. If your IAC position is above 10, you'll need to open the throttle slightly by turning the adjustment screw clockwise until you reach the desired 2 to 10% range. Here's the important part. If you open the throttle blades and the TPS reading goes above 0, the ECU will exit the idle mode and the IAC will enter the hold position. When this happens, the IAC position locks, and any further adjustments won't have an effect until you've reset the TPS. When this happens, you'll need to turn the vehicle off and perform a TPS Auto Set. If you have a Sniper, you can simply cycle ignition off and back on to reset the TPS. If you're running a Terminator X, you can do this using the handheld screen or from a laptop. If you're using HEFI, you'll need to reset the TPS directly from your laptop. Once the TPS has been reset, you can go ahead and restart your vehicle and verify that the TPS is reading 0. If necessary, continue adjusting the curb idle screw until your IAC position reads between 2 and 10%. If you need to make more adjustments, remember to confirm that the TPS is still reading 0 with the engine idling. If not, perform a TPS reset once again. If the throttle angle has been properly set, you should be able to temporarily block off the IAC inlet passage using your thumb. And the engine should continue to idle just fine, but may drop 50 to 75 RPM below your desired curb idle speed. Your engine should now idle smoothly and at the target RPM with a correctly functioning IAC and TPS calibration. And that's it. You've now successfully calibrated your IAC and TPS for a stable idle. For more great tuning videos or for information on any of our EFI systems, visit us at Holley.com.